cord.
You know what? I think we didn't get the Apple guys too offended in this video yet. Don't you think too?
Left click, right click, wheel.
Definitely. Now it's better, and you know what what I will use with my Windows PC?
Oh shit.
Apple mouse.
The hacky puck poop.
Yeah, the shitty even.
Oh, come on. Give me a signal, mate. Why?
Why is it really not? Wait, try with my monitor here. Maybe
you think
yours.
that's the monitor?
Yeah, but also no wait, no. This
Okay.
cable. Try with that one. No, also because mine is not reaching.
Okay, that could be real. What the fuck? Strange.
What could that be? Oh wait, we're looking at the wrong monitor.
We're so dumb.
Here's the right monitor.
It doesn't look well. We have to turn it on. That's also
No signal.
It's not good.
Close but no signal.
Close but no signal. Why is
And I'm
it?
just thinking why there's no signal. Maybe the GPU is not seated incorrectly. I mean, just a guess.
Frustrating.
I need a power cable, but where is one? I mean, we haven't seen mine powering on yet, so not feeling any better. But yours is like doing nothing, right? I mean,
Of course, I have to screw it in.
it's looking actually good. Oh, I see it.
What?
I see it.
Oh god.
I see it, mate.
Oh
Can
shit.
you see it,
yeah,
guys?
Power. The
Can
power.
you see it, guys?
Well, without power, how?
What did you actually forget?
The power.
The CPU power, right?
Or did I forget that too?
The CPU power.
Oh fuck. Whoops.
You have everything else but the CPU power.
Yeah,
I see it there. Yep, you're holding it.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay, now that we got that figured out,
That could be trouble, of course. That's
the stuff happens, right?
yeah. It's always the same. You forget the easiest stuff.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
Mine is also not powering. Did I forget it?
Forget it too.
So guys, here you see that nothing
There
we
it
do is scripted, right? This is
no, nothing's good.
this is literally everything like real.
There we go now. Now.
Come on,
You know what?
bitch.
I leave it open.
Yeah, I think I have to do it as well.
That's a good
So,
idea.
yeah, I'm doing the same again here. So this is the stuff that happens to us all the freaking time. Like the simplest things keep stuff from happening. Now I'm telling you, mate, it's not really what's gonna fix the problem. However, it's gonna let the CPU live. So it's not too bad. He forgot to plug in the CPU fan cable.
Such a stupid
And as you see, it's like jammed between the power supply, so he needs to screw it off again so it can get loose and get hooked up to the CPU fan.
Whoa.
Otherwise,
Oh, there's still a screw in there. Oops.
I am gonna give you a hint
I think
what you...
Isn't that it?
There was...
the cable
I'm
there, right?
telling you, mate, there was nothing connected.
Sure about that?
Yeah.
What's the hint then?
The hint is that maybe you tried to set the RAM in slot 1. There could be the problem.
it could be. You're right.
I don't know, but I'm currently seeing that I plugged all of this wrong, so
There it is. Fan.
this usually goes here.
Fan number 1.
Woo!
We made a little break because we're now. At what stage are we?
It's stage mental breakdown. No,
Nothing's working.
Actually, it's working pretty good so far for
Yeah.
our standards, right? We both, I think yours now will power on, mine powers on, and now we'll see if we can get Windows installed, and
Yeah.
then...
Like we never had. Did we ever have it that we started to see nothing work?
Yeah, a PC.
Never, or? It's the first time.
This is the first PC, I think. They were always Macs.
Yeah, now we fucked the PCs. The people
Okay,
hate us.
so here are the monitors. Oh, I zoomed in again. Classic. Okay. Now you can actually see stuff.
You can see stuff. You can wait. Word.
I see.
I see.
There it is.
I can see it.
Sure. This is my keyboard, right? The black.
The Black Panther one.
Before we continue working here, this is the setup. The setup.
The setup.
Here is his PC. The power brick thing is going across it, but whatever. And here's his keyboard. Of course, nice, comfortable to use. Maybe put that on the PC, like
put
here,
on
like this. And here is the mouse. So even though this is a challenge, this is still us, guys.
Yes, this is still us.
And of course, legal Windows disks.
Of course. So we're getting better.
So are you ready to
Yes,
power it on?
Let's continue it. No, I can't right now. I still have to screw it in.
Oh. Okay, it's powering on. This annoying fan is doing stuff. Yeah.
No!
Yes. 80 Sempron 1.8 gigahertz. Here you know the frequency for a change. Maybe there's an operating system on there.
Yeah, I'm done.
No, that wouldn't count. So let me put in Windows XP Professional.
Alright, try number 1 billion. Yes! The fan's alive.
I think that's we need to cope with this fan. It is like this.
No signal.
No signal.
This is interesting.
Wait, let me first boot mine up here because I can start formatting. What?
So much to when we said we won't help each other.
I mean, yeah, that would be ass if I didn't help you, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it even runs.
Yeah, it runs.
I don't know why it doesn't show a signal. I can hear the drive spinning. Yes, Windows setup. Okay, now I can help you. So the RAM is in its position. Okay. CPU power, mainboard power, everything else power. That's good. That's fine. Hard drives is connected. Yes.
Yes.
Huh. Maybe we try this. What I said previously.
To disconnect this.
Disconnect all of this because this is not important, right? This is just auxiliary stuff we really don't need for our project here. And this minimizes stuff. You know, that's
Yeah. True.
But this is incorrectly. This is also correctly in.
You just said this is incorrect.
What did I say?
This is incorrectly.
I said.
This is incorrect.
It is correctly seated or put in or
It's
whatever.
incorrect. Nice choice of words.
Yeah, this was a failed choice of words.
Let's just try.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's kind of weird.
It's a weird problem, yeah.
That's very good. It's like a classic PC problem.
Yeah.
If you don't know really maybe. Wait, turn it off again. Just do it like this. We will disconnect all of this. Can you see it?
All of this?
Like, no, not this. Because this has proven to be working, right?
That's true, though.
That, all of this. And this.
I don't think that's the problem, though.
No, just to see if it shows a signal, right? Maybe that's causing some errors. So right now it should say, oh, I don't have anything, but I'm gonna have at least a signal. What? Not even that? Still nothing.
Can it be the graphics card then?
But this previously worked just fine. Should we try a different GPU?
Maybe we can try.
Okay, so we'll pause it.
Yeah.
I will not continue the video because that would be unfair. Did you put the processor in right? Yes.
I think so. I mean, that could be true because I told you it looked strange.
Sketchy.
It looked sketchy when I put it on. Maybe already fucked up there.
Wow, it's very dirty. See, there's a pink one. Maybe that helps.
Normally that makes things worse.
Who knows?
It's not manly anymore.
It's not manly, this GPU. Too female.
It's too bad.
Whatever. Mine is red. What do I say? So.
Not
Sehen.
gonna screw that in right now.
No, don't do that. TF the Schnappel, also da. Jo.
Alright, let's try it again. Oh. Well, this is interesting.
Maybe it's really the processor.
It can be because it was so sketchy. Yeah, it's the processor.
Oh no!
No! Well, I've lost.
Wait. We're gonna minimize even more.
No, it is the processor.
I mean, it surely is, but just one more try. I mean, no. Now this is the as minimal as it gets. It has only processor, 1 RAM. Still nada. Well, that sucks. Well, let's fix the problem.
Well, you just go ahead then.
Wait, I will continue my install. I mean, that's I think what we can do here.
This is interesting.
I mean,
Then what did you? Well, there we go.
Well, the challenge is not done yet. Nice.
What?
I mean, I'm currently checking all of your PC if everything's hooked up, and I never look at mine, right? Well, mine doesn't have a hard drive power to it. Oh, guys. That's that. Well, guys, you didn't even see it, but there you go, guys. I consider this not incorrectly.
Can you see the problem?
What is your aspect of this?
This is art. What the fuck?
It's glued on by the.
How in the fuck did that happen? Yeah, because this was what I meant. I didn't get that.
I mean, that's
I
something.
can't get it off.
Oh yeah, just twist it. Yep. It's going. It's going. Yep. Okay. There we go. Now.
Awesome.
Epic.
Epic, yeah.
Let's install that. This time, maybe.
But what did I do wrong then? You put it in? Yeah.
I would really like to tell you what, but.
Is this wrong when I'm doing this? No,
well,
right.
No, that seems.
But that's exactly what I did. But look, it just.
It seemed, yeah.
What the fuck? I did that.
Let us power it on. Just short.
What in the fuck?
I mean, that's.
I did that before.
I mean, this is what like minimalism is.
Maybe just I failed in some way.
Yep. Look, there we go.
Okay, I must have fucked up somehow.
Mate. So that was your second joker.
How the fuck did I do that?
Well, it happens. Shit happens, right? We got it figured out.
Yeah.
It's like all of you guys always say we're so stupid, but in the end we figure it out mostly.
You know exactly that this video makes them think that even more.
So in the end we got it figured out.
Yeah, I did the same thing again.
the processor was not in correctly for who knows what reason. I'm gonna help my mate out here by installing the RAM.
No thanks, mate.
I mean, this is a weird problem. Nobody can see that coming. I mean, we have installed a couple of CPUs and never, like, any like this never really happened.
Yeah.
So, so the drives are also hooked up.
Oh,
And I'm gonna now see. Oh, what the fuck? Still no hard disks to be found. Now, what is it really? I don't know.
This mechanism is always fucking with my ass.
Shit. Dropped my keyboard in the computer. Nobody can really say that. Okay.
Got my CPU stuck on the fan. Never everybody can say that.
No, definitely not. CPU was so desperate to be cool. Alright.
That was love at first stick.
It was a very, very intense love
Sticky
relationship.
situation.
It just nobody could separate them.
Okay, right.
Oh, did I format this drive as RAID in its past? I mean, that would suck.
F8, I think. Yes!
Yeah, the Pentium is alive.
What is it?
F12.
Oh shit.
Yep, you got it. Oh, 2 Windows setups, boom!
Yes! Ooh. Yeah, but you are ahead.
Haha.
But yours isn't working yet, right?
The hardware configuration. So we
There we go.
got once here Windows Home Edition and one Professional.
They both are still doing.
Both are at mostly the same status. Both.
And yes, this typical Macintosh Mini 12 style, this whole race got into a troubleshooting session. No!
Alright, I don't know if mine. Yeah, there we go.
Shit!
Mine is not recognizing any hard disks.
Well,
Maybe
as soon as you want to joke, tell me, mate.
you know what I'll do? I think maybe this drive is dead. Could be.
Could be, of course.
Should I use the crappy one with the stuck-in screw? I mean,
You can try it.
that's the one which came out, so.
Yeah, try it. I don't care. We can put that in now. Look at the formatting speed. Yeah, it's interesting why it's failing.
Really no idea actually. It's,
Bitte warten, the Festplatte wird überprüft.
now it's stuck at the primary master. What is?
Did you put in the wrong master, like master slave? Did you fuck that
That
up?
could definitely be.
I would like to join you, but
We're separated here by
No,
this
wait.
massive.
I could go full on Metal Gear Solid.
What? You're really jumping it? Oh,
No, I'm not gonna jump.
I thought a moment.
I'm gonna military up in this, and this cable is stuck on me.
Yeah, have fun.
Here I am. Did you really film me?
No, this accidentally turned. This
Of
way.
course.
Yeah,
Paranormal activity.
it accidentally turned this way.
So. Well, this is
Alright.
doing its stuff.
Alright, now mine is bitching around a bit. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. The Sega device is not found, but it found the Samsung. Okay, that's
Well,
good.
That's good.
Wait, then, stop! Oh!
No!
Stop it! There we go.
Whoa, whoa,
Can you
whoa.
pick up this button there, please?
Did you just kick it?
The button fell out.
Here you go.
Maybe now I can't boot it anymore. Because of the button, the loose button. Yours is already formatting.
No, it's copying already.
Yeah, so here is the current status. We got a mine
Windows.
is here, maybe confused by this.
That could be, yeah.
It's both plugged in the master cable. Maybe that was my issue, but there is no other cable, so I don't know. I think this was never plugged in to begin with.
It could be too.
At least that's what I swapped out once. I don't know, maybe.
Maybe.
Hey, I just built you and this is
That's
crazy.
crazy.
So here's the XP disk, so install it maybe.
Look at this cable, that's really good.
We are probably the only guys that put the PC on the table and the monitor's like here somewhere.
Man, look what I have to do now.
There you go.
Oh god.
They're probably knocking everything down. Okay.
But we're there.
Yours is almost done copying stuff.
Yeah, it's almost done.
And I'm still crossing fingers that it now recognizes the hard disk.
Oh, what the fuck?
I just don't get it.
What is wrong?
What is it actually saying?
But just change out the hard drive to try it. I mean, what can go wrong?
What? Wait, no, not Windows 10.
Whoa, you were faster than me. You had Windows 10 already. Damn.
But that proves that the hard disk is actually working. No, that Windows 10.
That's true though, that proves it, yeah.
But you know what's kind of cool is that Windows 10 is actually booting. But no.
But no, you know what's then shit about it? Because now you know that something's wrong. And the hard drive does work.
As you see, I'm not shitting you. The hard disk is sort of not... Now the computer is not turning on anymore.
No. What the fuck?
What did I now do?
Did you just kill it? Well guys, troubleshooting continues. I think it's...
What?
What the
No, really now.
Windows 10 was too much.
What is it now?
Willkommen. What? What? Why willkommen? Oh. I booted into the CD unit. What?
Drücken Sie Eingabetaste. Now it works. What the fuck?
What? That was there before.
Oh yeah, then you need to boot from the disk.
I booted from, yeah.
The hard disk drive. HED.
Oh, mate. Can you even see what you see? Yeah.
I think you're again booting into the...
No, I did put on hard drive this time.
So then... It's not doing!
What the fuck?
Ah!
What the fuck? I put it into the thing again, or? No way. Look at the design though. You can see different shades of stuff in there.
Shades of XP.
50 shades of XP. I'm having problems as well. Very weird problems.
You know what? Both of us have so weird problems.
Yeah.
But it recognizes everything fine.
Come
It even copied it on.
Once more.
Do we have the XP disk in?
No, it's there. It is.
Alright, I have no idea why mine is not doing. I have no
Change the
idea.
hard drive.
I already did.
You did? You didn't even notice.
Yeah, you see?
Look!
Wait, let it try. Maybe we need to do this
What
again.
problems do we have?
I don't know. This turned into just a regular video of us. From a nice PC challenge to just a regular video.
We wanted to show you that we have skill, but there we go.
Ah,
Where are we? We are in a land of confusion.
oh yes, with no idea.
Mine doesn't boot from the hard drive. We'll just try it again. And yours just...
Mine doesn't display the hard disk. It
So, yeah.
boots Windows 10, but it won't shine up in the Windows XP disk, so...
So this install Kalange.
We should just say... Should have said building the PC done.
Yeah, we will do that.
But
So
that would have been failed because it wouldn't have worked, right?
Yeah.
So
so yeah.
I will put in a different piece.
He almost won.
Alright guys, I put in this hard disk because I want an IDE drive. I think it has something to do with the SATA. And I booted up, perfectly working in under 10 seconds Windows 3.1.
Yeah, but that's not what we're searching for,
It's
right?
such a shame that I have to delete this.
Yeah.
But you remember, it wasn't so hard to install,
No,
so
it
we
isn't
could
that
just
hard,
do
yeah.
this anytime.
So yeah, we're still troubleshooting.
Still troubleshooting.
Have you seen this before in this channel? A Windows 3.1 blue screen.
There you go. It's like has stopped responding. It's like one of the first blue screens ever.
Yeah. And yeah,
Sad to
And-
see it go.
and I think we finally found out what my problem is, and my problem is that there was no problem.
So you just didn't let it formulate.
Yeah, because it seems like, and you guys were right, because of course you idiot!
Yeah, you always know it for us.
Of course. But yeah, we'll let it forward the second time and then we will see what happens. So yeah, we'll see. This boot race could actually be spannend.
More exciting.
More exciting again.
It's actually not a boot race. but
Ah,
whatever.
build race.
Uh,
Oops.
I connected a different hard disk.
Yeah.
You could consider this as cheating, but you know what? I think that Windows XP, this particular copy,
Yeah.
has a problem with the SATA. Because they just would not
Yeah.
recognize. By Windows 10, no problem. So, we're gonna use this old ass hard disk with Windows 3.1.
And now finally, yes! And mine also is running, so who will
So
be first?
are we at the same state? No.
No, you have to format it first.
So I have to format it, and yours is already copying, and that's what you never did, right?
Yeah,
This is
I
the
always,
problem.
yeah. But
So
yes,
now-
so who will win? We will
Now
see.
it's really just how fast the systems are
Yeah.
actually. Yours should theoretically win.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
See you.
See you. I want to break free from this hell. Yeah, this in-store hell. I surrendered. I have no idea. We don't have.
You. What the fuck?
Yes.
I just looked at the clock. I was thinking, yeah, it's about 6.
Yeah.
Almost 7.
Yeah, we spent all this time.
When did we arrive? 3.
3. Yeah.
What? 4 hours?
4
almost?
hours for a build race. This is shit.
And not even successful.
Well,
And mine
yours
is-
finally.
Mine is finally going, yeah, but if you see the problem here,
Put
go
it in
ahead.
the comments.
All I know is that I got a scratch here from,
Yeah,
The
so
computer.
casualties.
and this is a POS and doesn't want to boot it. I mean, it boots from the CD, but it doesn't boot from the hard disk, right?
Yeah.
So
So yeah, interesting.
mine doesn't recognize the hard disk, the one that it's supposed to recognize. We just thought, whatever, we're gonna continue this and hope
But I
that
can't
it's
to
done soon, and then
then end this. See, we're pissed off again. This is
I think I will put this into 2 parts. Part number
Yeah.
1 is just the build, and part number 2 is the suffering.
you need to really call it like that. The
Yes,
suffering.
I will.
Okay.
So
So yeah, guys, we'll wait till this is done and then see you back with the last part.
see you then.
See you. Made this great! Yes!
So after all this epic failure,
Windows XP has installed. He has won the
and,
first ever.
Whoa, I've won! It's so important. No, but it's so fun because Windows XP did it as an upgrade. It didn't wipe the drive like the one. It just upgraded, like software upgrade. And now I have this old ass Windows 3.1 files, and this one,
Still work?
this one is the one we
Look.
made on 3.1.
Yeah, watch the video, we're not even lying.
And this program which can do nothing. But we have this one comment here, made is great. That pretty much proves that we made that.
Yeah.
We made that.
So yeah, guys,
So we got at least this working. Here's the Windows 3.1 stuff. That's
Windows
so cool.
10 Professional.
Definitely not.
I can't talk today
Windows
anymore. Windows Professional.
Does this still work? I mean, that would be so fun. No,
Yeah,
doesn't.
that would be cool though.
But anyway, thanks for watching. If you watched the second part or third or fourth,
We're sorry.
I don't know.
So what does this show? Failure is inevitable.
You know what it shows? That
What?
all of these challenges that go so well,
Mm.
like even from the really big YouTubers, like what I'm talking
Yeah,
about, this
yeah.
is have all of this perfect setup. I bet with you that even yes, they're more experienced, but even to these guys, stuff like this can happen,
Yeah.
and they just cut it out.
Yeah.
So
And we don't do that.
no, we stand by our failures. It happens, shit
Yeah,
happens.
yeah.
Yes, we
We're
probably did a
humans.
lot of stuff wrong, but yeah.
Like that. Alright guys, come on, let's do the end joke. We will
Wait, I will put that in here.
see you. Bye.
Bye.